It's Otto one again, it's Golden Boy MC Tempo, busy doing flames. I've been moving in my lane with no speed, niggas taking this shit like a race. They stand in my journey, but promise myself never lose the focus on the lane. I got some angels guiding me every time, every day when I'm away. Mama's prayers leading me to success, niggas see the sunshine is coming. Gotta be patient and keep it real. Gotta be patient and keep it real. Gotta focus on the grind. Money is needed, my nigga, you see. Gotta focus on the grind, my nigga. Gotta focus on the grind, my nigga.
Dig it, joy, me and my joy, all of my bros, yeah. Get it raw, yeah. Dig it, joy, me and my joy, all of my bros, yeah. Get it raw, yeah.
Hurry up, cadet, don't back it up. Cause them bros they liking your dress. She go around put the blame on us. Matter of fact, you ain't one of us. Cause they move that shit to drugs. One split move, then the up on us. It ain't safe, keep the biggie tuck. Biggie touch is the cheese and dust. Made your whole trap and pie. I'm in a row, ocean. What's in the pot, ocean. We body trap location. Manifesting a mansion. Figures that got intention. On point my shit, on got better. Rupees are gon' boom, danger. In the winner, banga is a stranger. Ricky says a trainer. Ricky says a trainer.
Dig it, joy, me and my joy, all of my bros, yeah. Get it raw, yeah.